Hi everybody. In this video we're going to go over how to read the main alerts, which we're selling naked puts on MES or ES futures contract. We're also going to show you how to place the order on tastytrade. Highly recommend you use tastytrade for these alerts. The commissions are about 50% less than thinkorswim. You can also use thinkorswim if you already have that platform. Let's get right to it. Okay, so here's a sample alert that we placed. You'll see this in the main channel on the Discord. So here it says weekly future recommendation. I put where the MES contract currently is at. It's at 45.46. We're going to sell the 35 DTE, the 40.80 put for 5 in premium. If you get a little more, you could try to get 5.25 or so. The buying power needed to do this trade was only $538. We're going to leave another $462 in cash. So it's about $1,000, and $25 is what you're collecting in premium. 5 times the 5 multiplier, you get about 2.5% on your money in 35 days. It's a good return. The delta, 0.04, is the approximate risk we have in the position. There's only about a 4% chance that it's going to go below this 40.80 strike price. So that means there's a 96% chance it won't, and then we keep our funds. So now what you want to do is go to your tastytrade platform. You're going to type in the backslash key, MES. Then you want to go on the left side of the screen here. You want to find the DTE. That was 35 DTE. 35 here. Now you have all the different strike prices. We're going to go to the strike price that we sold the contract at the 40.80. Now you can see I already have -1. That's because I placed the order and got filled. You're going to want to click the bid in order to sell the option. Now, since I already have the option here, I have to click ask and then change this to sell. But if you click the bid, it should automatically come as sell. Now on the summary, it says S means you're selling. We're going to sell -1, 35 DTE at the 40.80 put. You'll see the natural and mid price. Natural's at 5. There's a good chance it's going to get filled here. You could try to go a little higher, like 5.25, and maybe get a little bit of extra money. Let's try to get at least the minimum that I recommended. Click review and send. And then you're going to get your $25 credit. It says how much buying power you're going to be using. Remember, you want to leave at least the same amount in cash in your brokerage. And I'll go over in future videos how to deal with your buying power and how many trades you should be placing. We'll be receiving $25 on this particular trade. And then you just click send order. And then that's it.